Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can add a fingerprint to unlock your Xiaomi 13 Lite. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go down to password and security, and here you can click on fingerprint unlock. And first of all, we have to verify that it's us with our PIN. Click on next. Got it. And now we can add our fingerprint. Make sure both your finger and the screen are clean. All right, and then we'll put our finger on the button there on the screen. Move it around slightly, that the sensor gets like every angle of your finger. Add face data, no, we don't want that now, cancel, and then we're done. And now we can click on it again. And then we have our fingerprint here. We have our fingerprint 1 here. Probably we can rename it. Maybe you have fingers, maybe you have names for your fingers. We can add a fingerprint and then we can say what we want our fingerprint to use for. So we can say lock screen, privacy password, app lock, shortcuts, or fingerprint payments. We also have fingerprint animation. That, then like a butterfly kind of thing, another butterfly. So whatever you like your fingerprint sensor to look like. Let's go with a butterfly actually. I think that's kind of funny. And then we also have low light fingerprint unlock. Lower the brightness of the fingerprint icon in the low light conditions. Your device might unlock slower when this feature is on. All right, let's go ahead and lock our phone and then unlock it again. And maybe you saw it, it was just a little butterfly there. Okay, so now we're back in the phone, and that's how easy it is. So that's how you add a fingerprint to unlock your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.